How's it going, fellas? I'm finally back at the perfect time to show you guys how to make shepherd's pie this fall, in an incredibly time-efficient manner. I might sound like a broken record, but I apologize for the really long delay between uploads. Sometimes life just gets in the way when you're not expecting it to. To keep it short, I'm just living in the apartment with Olive, hence the lack of kitchen table, making these videos a little bit hard to film and prepare for. Nonetheless, I have the motivation to make more of these videos, and I already have the next one planned out. To kick things off, I'll be filling a pot of water for the peeled potatoes. This is to help stop them from browning. Do not turn on the heat. I'm peeling 5 medium to small russet potatoes. Russets are most people's go-to for mashed potatoes, but they're my favorite for everything. After each one's peeled, I'm throwing it in the cold water and continuing with the next one. Once they're all peeled, cut the potatoes on your cutting board, which I also don't have anymore, into medium-sized pieces. This helps them fully cook much quicker and evenly compared to a whole potato. Just make sure to keep the chunks roughly the same size so they all finish at around the same time. Then you can finally turn on the heat. While that's going, dice 1 Spanish onion. I'll be skipping most of this as I've done it many times on the channel, and hopefully you know how to at this point. Throw that in a pan or medium-sized pot with some oil or butter. Then throw in the onions once the oil's heated up. We want them to be soft and not crispy. Once they're translucent, throw in the ground beef, which makes this a cottage pie instead of a shepherd's pie, I know. While the meat's cooking, the potatoes should be done. Give them a stab with a sharp knife. If they slide in with ease, then they're good to go. Mash them with your utensil of preference. I couldn't find my ricer, so I just used a fork while I filmed with the other hand. Once they're nice and smooth, throw in some unsalted butter. Followed by some cooking cream, as well as some pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Stir them until everything's fully incorporated. Additionally, add some chives. Mine had spoiled, so I had to leave them out, but they do add a nice taste and some very necessary color to this dish. Taste and adjust if needed. Don't forget to stir the meat like I kinda did. Season with your seasonings of choice. I went with garlic powder, salt, and some zero sodium chicken bouillon, but I forgot the pepper. Then the final piece to the shepherd's puzzle, frozen corn. I've cut soda out of my diet completely, so no more cherry coke. Sorry, Gina. Now to make this extra fancy, I'm using my iconic beef tartare method to Michelin up this pie. Starting with the ground beef at the bottom, followed by the corn, and finally the hardest part, the potatoes. You could also throw in other vegetables of your choosing, some gravy on top, ketchup if you like that sort of thing. The beauty about shepherd's pie is, unless you're my brother, everyone loves this dish. It's a perfect fall comfort food, super flexible, and with this method, it takes no time at all to prepare, without going over budget either. I do hope you guys give this one a try this fall. I've already made this twice this week, had seconds as of editing this, and I'm definitely going to have more after this voiceover. Take care.